Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Melty Blood Actress Again online. First, you'll need to download the community-made online patch, often called the Community Edition or C-Caster. This patch enables netplay functionality. Make sure your game installation is clean and updated to the correct version before applying the patch. This ensures smooth integration and avoids common errors during setup. Once installed, you're ready for the next step. After successfully patching your game, launch the netplay client. You'll typically find an executable file like C-Caster, exe. Here, you can set your player name, which will be visible to others online. It's also wise to select your region to find players with lower ping. Experiment with input delay settings. A lower delay offers more responsive controls but requires a stable connection. Start with a default value and adjust as needed. With your client configured, it's time to find opponents. The lobby screen displays available rooms and players. You can join an existing public room or create a private one for friends. When creating a room, you might set a password for exclusive access. Always check the ping to other players before joining to ensure a good connection. A ping below 100 milliseconds is generally ideal for a smooth experience. Use the chat to coordinate matches. If you encounter connection problems, first check your firewall settings to ensure the game and client are allowed through. Outdated graphics drivers can also cause performance issues, so keep them updated. For further assistance and to find more players, consider joining the active Melty Blood community discords. These communities offer valuable troubleshooting advice and a great way to organize matches. Enjoy your online battles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.